Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Assistant Workshop versus Pointsman B. We'll delve into the core responsibilities, daily routines, and distinct work environments of these two vital railway roles. Our aim is to help you understand the differences in their duties, the benefits each offers, and their respective paths for career growth, providing a clear overview to aid your understanding. The assistant workshop role is primarily within the mechanical department, focusing on maintaining smooth workshop operations. You'll assist technicians with tools, manage materials, and ensure machinery is in good working order across various shops, such as welding or painting. This position generally offers a stable work environment, often in larger cities, with predictable duty hours and often includes Sundays off, making it a consistent choice. Pointsman B, or traffic assistant, is crucial for train safety within the operating department. Responsibilities include operating track points to divert trains, exchanging vital all-right signals with train crews, and vigilantly observing passing trains for any issues. This role also involves shunting and sometimes gate duty. It's a dynamic job with 3 shifts, including night duties, and postings can vary from busy junctions to smaller, more remote stations. When comparing these roles, Assistant Workshop offers a stable, less stressful environment, often with fixed city postings and regular promotions without exams. Pointsman B, while more dynamic and field-based, provides night duty allowances and excellent opportunities for faster advancement to roles like train manager through departmental exams. Both start with a basic pay of around 18,000 rupees. Your choice depends on whether you prioritize a stable, predictable routine or a more active role with quicker promotional avenues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.